Welcome to the heart of our community manifesto, where we explore the core value of unity. Yes, unity. Like the glue that keeps your favorite sandwich together, except this glue doesn't make a mess. We stand together as a community, supporting one another like a well-rehearsed choir, except no one is off-key and everyone remembers the lyrics. Imagine this, a group of crypto enthusiasts hand in hand tackling the wild world of blockchain together. It's like a giant game of hot potato, but instead of a potato, we're passing around knowledge, support, and maybe a few memes. After all, who doesn't love a good meme? When we say we support one another, we mean it. We're like that friend who always brings snacks to the party. Except instead of chips, we're bringing motivation and tips to level up your crypto game. Need help understanding a tricky investment? No problem. We've got your back, ready to dive into the crypto trenches with you, armed with knowledge and a healthy dose of humor. But here's the thing. Unity isn't just about helping each other out. It's about celebrating individual success too. Picture it. You just scored big, and instead of keeping it to yourself like a secret cookie stash, you're sharing the joy with your fellow community members. That's what makes us stronger. Together we create a network of encouragement, inspiration, and yes, a bit of friendly competition. So let's embrace our core value of unity. Stand tall, share your victories, lend a helping hand, and remember, we're in this together. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, your success is our success. So let's make waves in the crypto ocean, one supportive splash at a time. Join us and reach your next crypto level.